let me show you a few shots here. On April the 19th, 2013, in Salerno, Italy. Beautiful city, a little bit east of the Amalfi Coast, and I'm here in Villa Comunale, which is a public park on the western end of the city, and you can see there's a lot of locals here, lots of families with children enjoying the late afternoon sun. There's a big monument or a big sculpture here, and in the back, I wanted to show you that, there is a medieval castle up on that hill, and I have just had a long chat with the folks in the tourist information, which is across the street here, and they gave me all sorts of advice of what to visit here. They were extremely helpful, copied all the bus schedules for me for visiting Amalfi and the beautiful mountain village of Ravello. So you can see it's just beautiful mountains here surrounding us right here in Salerno. Great coastal area. This is the medieval castle, and like you can see here, lots of action with the kids. The police is coming as well, and people sitting here in the park and enjoying themselves.